write RCOR prime. So what do? You can say RC double bond O. You still the same thing. Then you put what? R prime. This one is called what? Acanone, or you call it what? Ketone, or you call it what? Acetone. So that is it. The other one is what? Amine. Amine. The functional group of amine is what? Is known as NH2. You can see that we have example of amine. They gave us what? Ethanamine. Are you getting it? Now, as you can see, what do we have here again? We have alkoxyalkane. If you don't call it the alkoxyalkane, you can call it ether. Are you getting? You can call it what? Ether. Okay, let's do the same thing. Ether, alkoxyalkane, just like ROR prime. ROR what? Prime. Are you getting it like that? If you have the ROR prime, so what is the R? You can say that CH3, then O will be at the middle, then CH3 prime. You know that CH3 is what? Methyl. Are you getting like that? Another CH3 is also what? Methyl. Are you getting it? But this one is the what? Is alkoxyalkane, or you call it ether. So you can see we have two methyl. You can call it what? Dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Or you call it what? Methoxymethane. Methoxymethane. Or if you have something like this, like let's say we have C2H5O, C2H5, then okay, let's say we have C2H5, then bond O to another what? C, this one was CH, okay, let's say we have CH3. Are you getting like that? Now you can see that we have methyl. This one is what? Ethyl. This one is what? Methyl. Are you getting it? This one is what? This one is ethyl. Are you getting it? You can see, if you want to name this alkoxyalkane, take a look at this. We E in alphabetical order. E comes before M. So in that sense, what do? You now call it what? Ethoxy what? Ethoxymethane. Are you getting it? Or you call it what? You can call it ethyl. Are you getting it? Ethyl, then methyl ether. Are you getting it like that? So because it is alkoxyalkane. Now let's go to another functional group again. We have what is called what? Alloalkane. Alloalkane. When you are talking about the word alloalkane, if you don't call it alloalkane, you can call it what? You can call it alkyl halide. Alkyl what? Alkyl halide. Are you getting it like that? Now halide means what? Halogen. Now what is the functional group? You can say RX. Is that taken? R is the alkyl group, X is what? Halogen group. And as you can see, in X of halogen group, halogen can be fluorine, it can be chlorine, it can be bromine, it can be what? It can be iodine, like that. Are you getting it? Now as you can see, whenever you see the X in what? In organic chemistry, we call it what? Halogen group. F is fluorine, Cl is what? Chlorine, Br is what? Bromine, I is what? Iodine. Fluorine is a gas, chlorine is a gas, bromine is liquid, while iodine is what? Is solid. Now in case they ask you which part of halogen group is liquid at room temperature, bromine. Which part of halogen group is solid at room temperature? That is what? Iodine. Are you getting it? If you use fluorine in organic chemistry, the reaction is what? Is going to be faster. If you use iodine, it's going to what? Be slower. Are you getting it? But if you use fluorine and bromine, the reaction will be at equilibrium. Is that taken like that? So whenever you see the RX like this, we call it alloalkane or alkyl halide. The general molecular formula for R, you can put CnH2n plus what? Plus 1. Are you getting like that? Then X. This one is called alloalkane. We still have more. Is that gotten like that? We still have more. Now, the next thing is to talk about the word. The next thing is to talk about the word alkane. When we now talk about the alkane, it means we are referring to saturated compound that contain single bond like that. So